day of sweet redemption. I will never let you down. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brand. You say you will, yeah.
Hey guys, Garrett here with Deranged Off-Road, and tonight it's the review of the R1 Industry Lighted Whips. So let's jump into this review of the R1 Industries Lighted Whip. So this is a 3-foot whip. We sell them on our website, so check that out. It's www.derangedoffroad.com. You can buy them as singles, or you can buy them as pairs. You can get them in 4-foot or 3-foot. You can get them with the simple remote, or you can get them with Bluetooth. But R1 has also developed a mounting system, and I'll show you that up close real soon. And then also their connectors are really beefy and thick, which is nice, the quick disconnect here. But these come on and off really easy with the turn. Put them back on. I'm calling your addictive brand. Say you will, yeah. I'm causing the obsessive life. So one thing on the R1 Industry whips is the mount, but also these connectors that I was showing earlier are really beefy. So these are a lot bigger than what I've seen on most lighted whips, which means they're gonna hold up that much better. And also this quick release mount is awesome. Everything's done really nice here. The other thing that I noticed on this whip compared to a lot of other ones, and even the tubing that I bought off Amazon, is that it's a lot clearer. So if I pull out some of my tubing I bought off Amazon, you can't really tell because it's not on, but I'm telling you, this stuff right here works really well, but it's not nearly as clear as the tubing is on this flag itself. So it is way clearer, which means you're going to get a brighter light coming through that, a clearer light. And then the flags are really well made, and like I said, the light goes all the way up through the flag. It doesn't stop just right here. The other thing about these R1 Industry whips is the warranty. So they've got an excellent warranty to get them fixed or to replace them with new ones. Also same with the mounts. You would just give us a call and we can set you up with that. But these are super bright, multiple modes, easy to change. I've got it on auto right now, but as you can tell, I can switch it up pretty quick. I believe there's close to between 300 and 400 modes, and they're really bright. So they've been a great product. I've run them on the trails, already through the trees. When you do run it through the trees, you can't take a chance of tearing up your flag easier, but overall, the whip itself has held up extremely well, extremely durable, no problems there. I've been out in the sand dunes, been out in the mountains, been kind of everywhere with it already, and it works great. So it's an excellent whip, really well built. And if you notice on our website, we also have this new Teryx bracket. This will fit basically the 2016 all the way up to the 20. It's all the same. I've got one on mine 17, I've got one on my dad's 19 now, and I basically designed this strictly for a center mount on this cage, and I just didn't really like the clamps and everything that was being used right here on each side. So you can either run a flag or run the mounted lighted whip. And then also if you come around this side, it's set up to bolt right in with 2 bolts. Easy installation, no drilling required. It mounts within less than 5 minutes. And you can order them in black or you can order them in raw. I painted mine silver to go with my silver stripes and the silver seats, so it pretty much matches that. But it's very sturdy, will hold this well. I've already been on a multiple rides with it.
Safe protection, I will always be around. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I want it, honey. I'm tired of being in.
Alright, that wraps up our quick review of the R1 Industry Lighted Whip. Head over to our website and check them out. Also, we carry the Throttle Max. If you haven't seen the Throttle Max, head over to our website, check that out as well. I just got done using it on the Paiute Trail for about 300 miles and it made a world of difference for me on this Teryx. So check that out on our website. We also have these lighted whip mounts, flag mounts for the Teryx, and we also have rocker switch panels, pod panels, and multiple other accessories like light bars and a few other things that we are constantly adding daily on our website. So go over to our website, derangedoffroad.com, check all those products out. One last thing, when you're out on the trail, make sure whatever you pack in, you pack out. We want to keep things as clean as possible for our friends and families to enjoy for a very long time. This is Garrett with Deranged Off-Road.
Give me your attention and your sweet redemption. I will never let you down.